My hair feels like butter. It really, really does. And welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing a full wash day. It's officially fall and winter, and with the temperatures dropping and getting a little chilly outside, I like to take my hair hydration and moisturize routine up a notch. So I'm going to be showing you my full wash day and how I keep my hair super moisturized and hydrated, featuring and using the RevAir Extreme Hydration Hairline. Alright guys, so let's just get into it. So RevAir has a hairline now. I don't think a lot of people know that, but yes, they now have products. They are famous for their reverse hair dryer, and I love that hair dryer. If you are in the market for that hair dryer, I definitely recommend it. They now have hair products, and it is their Extreme Hydration line. It has everything you need to keep your hair super moisturized. So go through the products real quick so I can show you everything that it has. It has a detox pre-rinse. It comes with a hydrating leave-in conditioner, a moisture scalp oil, of course the deep conditioning treatment. It's a lot, y'all, it's a lot. And the cleansing oil shampoo. So the RevAir Extreme Hydration line has every product you need for a full wash day. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Section my hair in four like I always do for wash day. My hair was in a crusty low ponytail for about 2.5 weeks.
We listen and we don't judge.
Mom, we listen and we don't judge.
Addison, I know.
I'm ashamed to say, yes, I did not wash my hair. So this wash day couldn't come at a better time. So I need all of the special things, okay? And with the special things comes the detox pre-wash rinse. Yeah, love this. This is infused with coconut water, apple cider vinegar, and antioxidants for the hair. Basically clarifying the scalp before the actual shampooing process to make sure all those impurities and oils and dirts and all of the grit is off the hair. So I'm going to use that and apply that to my scalp. I like that the container has the nozzle, so you can just get right in there, you know? Make it super simple. And they're recommending that you just apply it straight to the scalp and just kind of rub it in to lift that dirt and debris and like hair products from the scalp and hair. And it has like a nice refreshing scent. It does give off kind of like a peppermint essence, if you will. But yeah, I love the way it feels. So I'm going to apply this all over my scalp, and I massage my scalp in each sections of my hair. I'm really loving the detox. It's making my scalp tingle a bit, which I guess that means it's working. But I do love the refreshing feeling on my scalp and just lifting all of that grimy product and sweat and all of the things before the actual shampoo. So, and it does feel good going on. And it's actually loosening up and detangling my hair a little bit as well. So love that. I'm using a generous amount. Like, I'm not being stingy with the product at all. And even with me not being stingy, like, I have a whole lot in the bottle. Okay, so the detox has been completed. I've applied the detox all through my hair and my scalp, and I've worked that down, down to my strands. Just gonna let that hang out in my scalp a little bit because it feels really good on the scalp. It just feels refreshing. Partly because I haven't washed my hair too, but it does feel refreshing. So I'm gonna let this hang out in my hair for a few minutes, and then we'll get started with the shampoo process. Immediately as I rinse my hair, I notice all of the gunk being removed from my hair as a result of the detox pre-wash. Now that most of the gunk has been rinsed away, I'm applying a generous amount of the cleansing oil shampoo. Now this shampoo has coconut water, which penetrates deep into the hair. It also has olive leaf extract, which adds softness and smooths hair strands. So it has all of the good ingredients in a shampoo that keeps the hair clean as well as hydrating without stripping the hair. I also love that you can actually detangle with the shampoo. Now, you know when you can detangle with the shampoo, it's really, really good. So after my first application of the shampoo, my hair felt really, really clean, but in all rules, I always wash my hair twice, so I went in with a second application, and I'm using the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit shampoo brush to actually get in there and get the rest of that gunk out of my hair. I like using this brush because it stimulates the scalp during the shampoo process. And with rinsing my hair felt very clean without it giving that dry feeling, which I love. On to my favorite part, it is the deep conditioning treatment. So I'm using a generous amount of this deep conditioning treatment. The consistency of this treatment is almost like a lotion. It's like not thick, but not thin, but the perfect consistency. It smooths into the hair, helping to restore moisture while providing smooth slip and allowing for easy detangling. Continuing to apply that treatment to all the sections of my hair and finishing up that deep conditioning process. Okay, so I just completed my shampoo process. Whew, the shampoo was so invigorating. Like my hair felt so clean. Like I did 2 shampoo applications. The first one really got my hair clean. Like I could really tell my hair was clean, and I think that came from the detox, but nonetheless I did wash my hair twice. And then I applied the conditioner in the shower, which I normally always do because it's just easier, and while my hair is soaking wet, the conditioner applies better inside the shower and it absorbs into my hair a little bit better. So from the directions on the deep conditioner, it does recommend applying heat for about 20 to 30 minutes for the full conditioning of the hair. So I'm going to use my heated cap. This heated cap I found on Amazon, and any products that I am mentioning, I'll be sure to put everything down in the description below. But this is the heated cap. I actually have 2 heated caps. This one is the electric one. You can plug it in, and it has like time stamps on it on how long you need the heat, and you just put it on and kind of chill out. I love it because it's small. You can fold it up. It's compact. You can pack it away. So I love that. I love that you can have the temperature as well as the timing on here, so you'll know how long you've been applying heat to the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Apply the heat, and then we'll rinse out the conditioner. Guys, I am back. My hair has been fully washed, detangled, deep conditioned. My hair feels like butter. It really, really does. I do think adding that heat to the conditioner definitely just takes it up a notch, which always helps with my low porosity hair. My low porosity hair, it just loves heat with deep conditioning just to make sure that we get that deep conditioning like we need it. But yes, my hair feels so supple and so soft. So next, after I've washed my hair and did the deep conditioning process, I'm gonna go in with the hydrating leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my hair. This leave-in conditioner has coconut water and olive leaf extract, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna react to my hair as well. This leave-in is more like a water base versus like a cream, so I'm just gonna spray it on generously all over the sections of my hair, working it down. And then I'm going to take some and put some in my hand as well, like that. rub it and make sure it's getting on all the strands of the hair. Oh, my hair feels so good. Oh, it feels so soft. And it's like so detangled. Taking a little bit more of that. And when I apply like leave-ins and conditioners, because I have low porosity hair and product has a tendency to kind of just sit on top, I will like rub it in and let it hang out in my hair before I actually proceed with styling. So that's what I'm going to do with this, applying the leave-in and just clipping it up away to allow for it to absorb in my hair. So I'm going to complete the whole process on the other sections of my hair. Alright, so I have applied the leave-in conditioner through all the sections of my hair, and I just love the way it smells. It goes on really, really smooth, and I do have to work it in my hair. You did see, like when I was spraying it, because I have low porosity hair, sometimes the products just sit there, and that's just the way my hair is. But nonetheless, I did like the way it made my hair feel. The next step for the extreme hydration line, it is the Moisture Rich and Scalp Oil. So this oil you applied on your hair after the leave-in, it's almost giving like a LCO method, if you will, which I love, and that's always great for keeping your hair hydrated and moisturized. So I'm gonna apply some of the oil to my hair. This oil is a moisture rich hair and scalp oil. It has olive oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. It has a perfect blend of vitamins to help hydrate and moisturize your hair. So I'm going to apply this to my hair. Oh, it really doesn't have like a scent really. It's really light. And apply some of it to the scalp as well, since it's supposed to be for the scalp. And just take a little bit more. Rubbing that together and just raking the oil all through my hair. Using the prayer hand method to squeeze that oil in the hair. Oh, my hair feels so good. It feels really, really good. And I'm just gonna put some in my part here too, since it's for the scalp. I mean, if you are not the person who likes to put oil on your scalp, I understand, you know. Definitely if you don't wash your hair as much, I wouldn't recommend oil on the scalp, but I'm going to be washing my hair. So I don't mind it so much. So I'm going to finish applying the oil to the other sections of my hair. Okay, so I fully applied the scalp hair oil to all the sections of my hair, and my hair just feels so good. Like, it's so soft, easily detangled, and it's ready for styling. So what I love about this product line is that it is an extreme hydration product line designed for you to put hydration and moisture back into the hair, which I love, especially around this time of year. Second thing is that there's no guesswork. It has everything you need for a complete wash day, starting from a scalp detox down to the oil to seal the hair with moisture. So that's always a big one in my book. So my hair feels really moisturized, it's detangled and ready for styling. Alright guys, that includes my full routine wash day using the RevAir Extreme Hydration product line. Comment down below letting me know, have you heard of the RevAir product line? Have you tried it? Would you try it? Definitely comment down below letting me know. And also, I'll be sure to provide all of the links with regards to the products and all of the things that I've used in this video in the description below. Hey guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.